For those of you, by the way, raise your hand if you got at least one of the triple digit multiplication problems wrong. Yeah, thank you very much. I feel your pain because remember I sat up here and did one yesterday and got it wrong twice in a row. Trying to do it too fast. But that's just the way it goes. The rule really, if you want to get it right, take your time and be nice and neat about it. In the end, you'll realize how much more important that is than trying to get stuff done quickly. Today we continue just a little bit more with that 3-digit multiplication. And with that, we add what happens when there's some zeros we have to deal with. Because zeros can really confuse you. Just because they end up taking up spots. For example, here's a problem from the book. 243 times 120. Obviously, we're going to write that up and down. We're not doing this one mentally. 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 0. I would suggest, ladies and gentlemen, because you know what's going to happen when you multiply that by the 0, you're not going to get anything. So you could, the book says you could, well, I guess you could do, I think we just do this for right now, okay? I would write down the zeros to hold the place of that, because then you don't have to think of any other new rules, because there are other ways to do it where you wouldn't. But when I do start with the second digit over, what do I have to remember to do? Even though there were no numbers above it, you're still going to start with that 0 and then multiply by the 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 2 is 4. And then when you get to the third one, what do you have to do? Put 2 zeros. For those of you that got some of the multiplication problems wrong, does anybody want to share what they did that made them get them wrong? Did you get it wrong because you didn't put zeros down? Did you get it wrong because your multiplication facts were wrong? Did you get it wrong because you got confused in your adding? Where did your problem? Because it helps me kind of understand what's going on. Where is it? Brandon, Massey, what happened?
I got it wrong because I messed up on my. It was too big and I lost my place in it.
And that's why, again, squares on your homework paper. I'm pretty sure if you started at that top level of squares, wait, let me see. Do you have enough to do all of them? Let me see. How many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows is what you need if you started on top, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 rows of squares, so if you start your multiplication right on the top row, you have enough to keep everything straight in columns and rows and get an answer with triple digits. So that, I think, would be helpful to you. Who else? Brayden, you were going to share what happened on yours?
What?
What happened that you got one wrong? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, neatness and accuracy. I can't tell yours. Yeah, I was asking if you got some of the triple digit multiplication problems wrong, where did we go astray?
I pressed 2 zeros.
You didn't drop the 2 zeros? See, there you go. Again, 5th graders, this is not about always getting it right, it's figuring out where your mistakes were to get right the next time you do it. That's why we really don't take grades, and I don't put grades in there. Ethan, what happened on that? The one that caused you so much trouble, where was it?
I accidentally added 3 zeros to the last number, so I made.
You put an extra one?
Yeah, I put an extra 0.
No, that'll do it every time. Connor?
Got mixed up with, I got confused with the adding. I had one number that wasn't supposed to be in a row.
Yeah. How about, let's do one more of these here. What happens when the zero's in the middle? 2, 4, 3, 1, 0, 2. I would suggest for right now, later on when you get older and your mind can handle a whole bunch of different things, you probably want to just drop a row of zeros down for that when you do this. Like, start like normal. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. When you get to the 0, go ahead and put your 0 to start, and then your other 3 zeros, because that's what you'll keep getting. But don't forget, even when you get to that third one, you have to start with 2, not 3, not 1, but 2 zeros. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. And there you get your 6, your 8, your 7, your 4, your 2. That would be my suggestion for right now. Later you'll get to where you can maybe omit this and get there, but it just gets a little way too confusing right now. Jonah? Jonah is still, because Jonah, give me the problem there, sir.
604 times
6 to what, times what?
789.
And you did write the problem down right. This is exactly, what problem number is that?
13.
And that is, he does have it right. I just want, before we start, alright, so, Jonah, 9 times 4 is 36. Carried to 3, 0 plus 3 is 3. 9 times 6 is 54. So far, so good?
Oh, I know why that one. I accidentally kept putting 45 instead of 54.
So you're my poster child in case in point. That one simple little thing. Did you flip it around? Yeah, if you don't know that 9 times 6 is 54, or getting that up, you will never get that problem right, just so you know. It will be wrong every time you do it. Perfect. We're going to stop right there. Who said yes?